I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena Forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select SliceWP. Connect. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. To complete the integrations, you must log into your site. Here are some advanced features. Under the action, click on the checkboxes, choose the status and type. Here is the conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to my other user site and fill up the forms with variable data. Submit it. Now go to your SliceWP dashboard. Navigate to the commissions. Here you can see that the commission was added successfully to the user affiliate. Thanks for watching.